Alright, so I guess I better show you how to start a fire at the sawmill shed. We're gonna take the sawdust and compost it. The sawdust pile is getting pretty big. But we're gonna go start a fire first. I gotta burn up all those oak scraps that I cut yesterday. Well, that's about half of them I cut yesterday. So, I mean, you can't dump $5 a gallon gas on there. It's Joe Biden's America, just ignore that gas can because I'm not gonna use that. So I'm gonna take 2 of those sticks right there and I'm gonna rub them together. You know, and we'll start this fire here real quick. And we'll go dump some sawdust. You gotta have a fire burning, right? It's nice. Alright. I won't bore you with the rubbing of the sticks. I mean, that just gets boring, but it only takes me a couple minutes to rub them together and you got a fire. So, as you can see, it doesn't take long just rubbing sticks together. I use that one right there, rub together. And ignore that. And we'll see if that goes. Wet oak. Wet pine, wet, wet, wet. It may not even go. But if it doesn't go, you just get down there and you blow on a little bit, rub some more sticks together. It'll go.